welcome back to the vlog. So today is Saturday. I'm about to go have brunch with some beautiful ladies. Don't mind that car seat back there. I had my nephew yesterday. So yes, let's get into it. I hope you guys haven't been enjoying my videos that I've been putting out. If you guys have any suggestions or anything, let me know. I'm thinking about going live on my YouTube channel just to kind of get to know you guys better and connect and all that good stuff. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that and what would be like a good day and time to do that. Let me cut this down because copyright, my goodness. Anywho, let's go get some eat.
Yeah, but our apartment said if they could find out who it was, they was gonna, I guess, evict them and file charges right first.
You sure? You come on and try.
Bring that glass.
Walk away. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies.
That's all.
Enjoy.
Hey y'all, so I'm a little buzzed, a little lit now. Those Mimosas was strong, baby, and they was bomb.com. Okay, that was my first time having a cranberry mimosa, and honey, baby, feeling some type of, I'm a little warm on the inside, and it's getting warm outside. We went to Sunnyside Diner, downtown Oklahoma City. If y'all are in the area and you're interested, babe, I think, is going to the store. He's doing a cookout today, so we're about to go see what's in store for the rest of the day. Okay, y'all, I thought that was like a little blurry, but oh, okay, truck. Anywho, I'm gonna see if I can show y'all, because I forgot to vlog that when I was going in. I'm gonna try to show y'all that the diner and everything, and then if not, I'll include like some pictures or something. So this is the diner, Sunnyside Diner, and then I don't know what that is next to it, but yep, downtown on 6th Street. So good. Y'all seen the food, it was bomb. Here is a better view of it, y'all, the diner, and there's something next to it, I don't know, but yep, 6th and Classic. Hey guys, so I am back home from my brunch. I did a little something different with my hair because I've been having it down for a while, and I was like, let me do something different. Ooh, we got the barbecue sauce going, the mac and cheese getting ready. Kitchen stays clean, honey, we don't play. And then babe is out there. He is on the grill. Let me see if I can let y'all see. He listening to music, so I don't want no copyright, but basically he's out there. So we're just getting everything ready for, you know, babe's cookout. If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say when it comes to our cookouts at the Beckles residence. I don't know what it is, honey, but if you know, you know. Oh my gosh.
Hey, everybody up there, shorts up. TJ, you think you should?
Yes.
Come on.
It is full.
From now on. All right.
Can I eat now?
Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah, you better let
Bastard child here.
So what time everybody meeting up?
Inherited your father's unforgiving memory.
Hey honeys, welcome back. So today is Tuesday, the 8th, 9th, I think. So we're just about to go to the grocery store. We did not get to go over the weekend like how we should have. Don't mind this car seat, baby. I need to take that back to my mom's house. But yes, y'all, so I have been working out. I actually am going to the gym. So not just working out at home, baby. We are in the gym. And we got a personal trainer. Bitch, what? Who is you? Girl, catch me by 3 months, okay, y'all? I ain't playing. Mark my words. Take this down on this day at this time. Catch me in 3 months, okay? So we about to go to the grocery store. We need to get some healthy things, some healthy food. So I'm going to bring you guys along for that. And then we'll see what else we get into.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look.
We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I knowing your attention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle.
Okay, y'all. Life done got a little hectic since the last time I talked to y'all. Hopefully y'all got to see whatever I got from the grocery store. I am not on no diet. I'm not doing nothing crazy. I'm basically just gonna keep it simple, watch my portions, try not to eat no crazy carbs and stuff, and basically calories in versus calories out. I'm gonna keep it real simple, real basic, because I'm not trying to deprive myself of anything, and I ain't down with the diet culture. I ain't got time for that. So whatever you seen is what we got, baby. We had already did like a huge grocery a week or two ago, so we was just getting little stuff that we needed. So hopefully y'all got to see that. I done took my makeup off, child, because I'm about to go to the gym. I filmed another lock video earlier, so that's why I was all done up. So if you haven't already, go watch that, because that'll be out before this, okay? Lock videos on Wednesdays and vlogs on Saturdays, honey, period, 8 a.m. So yeah, I'm about to go to the gym. I done came all the way to the east side for nothing, because my brother don't communicate. I'm about ready to cuss him out. But my phone is tripping right now. Like, it's not able to make calls. My text messages ain't getting through. Like, I had to call my mama to see what's going on and what I needed to do from my work phone. Whoo, y'all. life got a little hectic since I talked to y'all, but it's okay. It is 3:51. I'm in a little bit of traffic. I'm about to go work out, and then I can go home and cook me and babe a nice, good, healthy meal. Okay, y'all may or may not see that. I don't know. Traffic, yeah, is getting ridiculous. Traffic here is from like 3:30 to like 6:30, depending on where you at. And if you really ain't got nothing to do, please don't be out during rush hour. Like, just do us all a favor. Like, just wait, because it's unnecessary. And then if you gonna be in it, pay attention. Don't have me missing my green arrow because you ain't paying attention, and then I gotta wait on the next light. I can't stand that. And if you on the highway, go with the flow of the highway. Don't be trying to go 50 and we in 70. No, come on now. Anywho, so I'll make sure y'all me working out at the gym. Not sure, but yeah. Hey y'all, so I made it to the gym, and our trainer left the workout for us, and I'm about to die. But I'm trying not to be negative about it. I'm on a treadmill now to do a warm up. And I'm gonna show y'all what the workout is, and then maybe I'll come back afterwards, but I ain't ready to be filming me working out yet. We'll see. Y'all can't see all my sweat because I walked outside, but I'm dying. Look at this. Can y'all see this? This is the workout our trainer gave us to do. I don't know what you think this is. She done lost her mind. In the sauna, dying. She said we need to come up with some positive words. Did you hear that? We need positive words for this struggle. Look at this. Look at this. What is happening to me? Hey y'all, so the clip you just seen was me at the gym. We're going to the gym Monday through Friday, and we have a trainer that we train with once a week, and then she gives us workouts for the rest of the days, and then if we come in on Saturday or Sunday, she'll train with us then too for no additional cost. So right now I'm just making a salad for me and babe. Nothing too crazy, real simple, just lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. We have leftovers from last night where we had chicken and wild rice, but we ran out of vegetables. We ate all the vegetables, so I'm just gonna make a salad to go with it. I hope you guys are having a great weekend or week whenever you guys are watching this. Let me know down below if you guys think I should change my upload time. I'm thinking to at least afternoon, to where people have some downtime or are on their lunch break. 8 a.m. just maybe too early. So y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Also, if you are on a weight loss journey, a health journey, or anything like that, let me know what you're doing down below as well, how it's going for you. I am already seeing results. I'm so happy that Ty was like, girl, let's get our butts in this gym. And we have been able to do good so far. So I'm excited about that. I have all my beautiful green lettuce here. I'm gonna cut my tomato and cucumber and then eat it with some chicken. I'm not gonna do any rice. It was wild rice. If y'all seen in the grocery haul that I did while I was shopping, that was kind of rice. All right, I'll see y'all later. I don't know why I'm always doing that. Anywho, hey you guys, today is the 11th, I think. It's Thursday. I am at home. I'm cooking. Just got here from the gym. I'm making me and babe some some wings, some air fried. I got my air fry right here. Bam. Some air fried wings and fries or potato wedges, whatever you want to call them. And then we're going to have some vegetables with it on the side. So really, really good and healthy meal for the most part. I basically just cut up my potatoes into potato wedges and seasoned. You can season them however you want to. And then I put them in a, usually I just toss them like in a bowl or something. But this time I put them in a Ziploc bag because I wanted them to be coated really, really well. And I'm going to do the same thing with the wings also. I'm gonna cook my meat, I like to cook it in the oven first and then air fry it because, honey, I like fall off the bone wings and chicken. So if y'all want me to do like a full like cook with me recipe type thing, let me know down below. But I'll probably come back and just show y'all what they look like. Hey y'all, I'm back. I got these out of the air fryer. These just came out. I'm going to top them with some Parmesan cheese. And then we are going to get the wings in here. And I will show you guys that in a second. Alright, y'all, so this is the final product. Babe on his wings extra crispy, so that's why they are that dark. But I done been fucking them up, honey. They are bomb. So we are about to eat. So let me know if y'all want me to do a cook with me video on how I did this down below. Hey you guys, I just wanted to come on here and end the vlog real quick. Please make sure you comment below and let me know if changing the upload time to like noon or whatever you guys prefer would be better than 8 a.m. Also, I am planning on going live, so go ahead and tell me down below what day and time you think would be best to do that. I love you guys so much. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.